So lately, I've been hearing comments on I will have subscribers, I will have increase in number of subscribers, and when I wake up the next day, the number of my subscribers gets reduced, or even the number I used to have added with the new one gets reduced. Yes, it happens, and probably you could also be among the reason why you are getting such. Although generally the issue is actually from your fellow content creator that subscribe to you. I would explain. So if you're interested in this kind of video, then sit back and watch till the end and make sure not to skip any of this part of this video so that you can get the full detail and gist with regards to why you are having decrease in number of your subscribers. Yeah, welcome back to another amazing video. My name is Juliet. Welcome back to Juice Castle. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, in today's video, I'll be talking briefly on why you are having reduction in the number of your subscribers, even up to the extent of reducing the ones you already have. Yet it happens. I'll be sharing with you guys three main actual reasons why you can be affected in that way. First of all, um, yeah, when you when people unsubscribe from your channel is the number one reason why your subscribers reduce. Yes, I know a lot of you might be wondering why will someone unsubscribe from your channel. It happens. I'll break it down in this way. Probably maybe someone watched your short videos and they are enticed, they love what you put out there. Okay, then subsequently you now have to upload something entirely different from that particular short that gave you subscribers. Have you ever wondered why, or have you ever researched and noticed that a particular video will give you more subscribers more than the other? Yes, that happens a whole lot of times. Even I have some videos that give me more subscribers. I mean, short videos or even long videos that give me more subscribers than the other. Yes, and in that scenario, when you stop putting out those videos that attract those audience to subscribe to you, some of them ends up unsubscribing, especially when they get notification on what they are, you know, more like opposite of what they expect to get from you. You understand? Yes, some of them will be like, oh, probably maybe this person, this is not actually his or her content, and then they would unsubscribe. Yes, it happens, and that is the reason why, number one reason why your subscriber count reduce. Secondly, is when people, you know, you sub for people, sub for sub, when people sub to you and you sub for them. Personally, maybe from your own side, you could actually go to their channel, watch their video, because what we don't understand, especially these new upcoming YouTubers, is that before you subscribe to someone's channel, before you subscribe to someone's channel, it's expected of you to watch the video to at least 3 to 4 5 minutes of that video, especially the long form video. Yes, as long as you are not coming from the short, maybe you just saw someone's short video, it was being recommended or suggested to you by YouTube, and you did not click it. As long as you came from the person's homepage, okay, and you go straight right up to the short videos, and then you subscribe a video of probably maybe less than a minute, then you watch it. You may not even watch it to the end. You subscribe, then probably you now go over to a long form video of the person, and you now drop a comment, irrelevant comment, or probably maybe a random comment, just for it not to show that okay, you did not actually watch the video. That can as well reduce someone's number of subscribers. Yes, and you are also creating damaging your own channel, because indirectly your channel can be shadow banned. Trust me, go and browse what it means to be shadow banned. Okay, that's not what I'm here for. But what I'm trying to explain is that you might probably think you are doing the person you are supposed to return back the favor to, and you ended up thinking that you are smart. You now jump over to the person's short videos to watch from the home page. It's not like you saw the short that it was recommended to you and you just watch from the short. Mind you that anybody that sees any video from shorts and subscribe, YouTube will not remove that particular short video. Yes, that is how it works. But as long as the person click through your name or go straight to your homepage, then go to a short video, it will not be counted. That subscriber will not be counted. Eventually, at some point, it will be removed. So, yeah, when you go to a comment section where people are doing sub for sub, you should be very, very careful. That's why it's as though I'm kicking against sub for sub subscribing kind of method. But if you're lucky enough to get loyal people that will be also faithful the way you yourself will return back the favor being faithful, watching their videos for about 3 minutes or more than, or even watching from beginning to the end, then and them themselves also reciprocating back the same way, then I assure you your subscriber count will remain and also probably increase more. Okay, then yeah, the third reason why your subscribers, the number of your subscribers would be reducing is by when you share your links. Yes, although yes, some people will be like you are supposed to share your link in your social media platform, but I would advise before you start sharing your link, probably give it like 24 hours or 48 hours. Let YouTube do the suggestion themselves. Yes, and if you now feel that you're not getting that, effective audience you require, then just know that it's probably from your video, because as long as you've uploaded your video on YouTube, okay, just know that YouTube will immediately start suggesting your video, first of all, to your own subscribers. And if they are not clicking through, you might be lucky, they might still suggest you to 3 or 4 other persons. And when those people are not responding, then that means the fault is not from them. I mean, it's not from YouTube. It's actually from you as a person, or from your channel, be it maybe your thumbnail or your title or whichever. And in that case, you know that you need to, redo 1 or 2 things in that particular video. Yes, I also have a video of why your video may not be able to get any view. If you give it a benefit of doubt, maybe 3 days or 2 days high, at least, and you are still not getting views, then probably there are some factors that is affecting that your videos. You can go over to my channel and search for that video and watch it. It will really, really help you. So yeah, these three main reasons. Number one, people unsubscribing from your channel because you are no longer putting out the content that actually led them to subscribing to your channel. Secondly, sub for sub, not from your own end, but from the person reciprocating back the favor, or the person that initially watched your own before you went and reciprocated back, maybe did not actually watch your video, probably maybe skipping. Have you ever wondered why some people will go to a long form video content, they will just say nice, great video, they will not even give you detail of how the video went? Most times those kind of persons don't end up watching your video, or rather they'll just skip and go. And if that's their first time of subscribing to your channel, you don't subscribe before you watch, you like, you comment before you subscribe. That's one thing you have to take note of. So yeah, people unsubscribe because you're not putting out the content that led them to subscribing initially. Then secondly, the sub for sub, the people that now sub back to you, they don't watch your videos up to 3 or 4 minutes, and they don't like and they don't comment. Yes. And then thirdly, which is the last but not the least, other things could actually affect your subscriber count to reduce anyways. But these three things are more like the major factors that, that is obvious to we all. And then the last one is sharing out your video link without leaving it for like maybe 48 hours or 72 hours. Yes, reason being that immediately you upload, YouTube will do the suggestion. You don't do the work for YouTube. YouTube knows their work. So when you already start, sending out your link, okay, even when you are also looking for subscribers, you share out your link to family and friends, maybe your brother's friends, your sister's friends. Please help me subscribe. Some will even end up giving you a thumb down. Yes, because they don't know the trick or the pattern or how it's been, played. And also some people might also in the process just subscribe, they will not watch. So when that kind of thing happens, what do you expect? YouTube will definitely take down that subscriber. They'll see it as inactive subscriber, and that will definitely affect your channel badly. So I believe that I've been able to explain things properly for you so that you wouldn't be, ignorant, so that you wouldn't feel bad that probably maybe YouTube is favoring some certain group of persons and yours is never the same thing. No. So be mindful, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Bye bye.